Love Is, Caught in His Arms, GMA7. Larkin Castor, Manupo Legacy, The Flower Sisters, GMA7. John Clifford, Pepito Manaloto, GMA7. Ethan David, For the Love, Ligaya Episode, TV5. Vince Maristella, Love Before Sunrise, GMA7. Christoph Samaru, One for All for One, INC TV. Aidan Veneracion, Royal Blood, GMA7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Secretary Jimmy Escala. And the star for Best New Male TV Personality goes to John Clifford, Pepito Manaloto, GMA7.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga hindi po nakilala sa akin, can I introduce myself again?
Of course, brother.
Kambal po pala ako ni Joshua Garcia. Ay! Hindi, joke lang po. Ako po pala si John Clifford, isa po sa mga bagong aktor ng GMA. And 2 years ago, binigyan po ng opportunity ng Pepito Manaloto so I can portray my first ever character, which is Jacob. Ako po yung unang boyfriend ni Clarissa. And ngayon I got recognized for it. Super thankful. Maraming salamat po. I share this award first and foremost with God. Nagpapasalamat po sa blessing na ito. Siyempre sa supportive ko na family na andito ngayon. Yes, and siyempre sa Sparkle GMA Artist Center, maraming salamat po sa guidance. And lastly sa PMPC, maraming salamat po. This award will motivate me to do better and strive for more awards in the future. Thank you so much.
Congratulations! Now for our next trophy is for the Best New Female TV Personality. And the nominees are?
Best New Female TV